and in this video I will be showing you how you can easily and efficiently build a website using this AI tool. The first thing you should do is go over to your browser and type in framer.com and open up the site. This is what you shall see. The second thing you should do is head over to one of the free untitled canvases and just click one of them. I will click this one, which is empty. After clicking on it, this new page shall be created. There it is. As you can see, we have our various options. We have pages, layers, assets, home. But since we want to create a website using AI, we will just head over to the action section right here. The action section, click on it. After clicking on it, you shall see various options: create web page, create component, generate page. Under the AI option, just click generate page. And here now is where now you put your specific prompt. Now, what is a prompt? A prompt is a specific instruction to an AI. So you just come and say, give me a website. Give me a website about cars. Just like that, and then you click start. Just give AI a moment. It will start selecting color themes, looking for pictures to include in your site. Okay, it will start looking for the text to add. As you can see, there is a website being generated. There it is. Okay, so the website will generate a simple template. As you can see, it will give you everything you need. And now from here, you can go on and modify your website. As you can see, you have gotten a simple website in under, let's say, in under 2 minutes. All right, there is a website. Now you can come and modify it. You can add a picture. All right, you can come and add an image if you want. All right, and there is our website. It is very simple. You can come and look for colors, other colors. You can shuffle the colors like that, change how it looks. All right, if you want to change here, you can come just and shuffle the colors. And yeah, that's how you use framer.com AI model. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching, and good luck.